Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be installing a new lace wig. If you hear me out of breath, it's because I am. See, Chrissy thinks that she's still the same weight she was when she was smaller, so Chrissy buys smaller clothing and then Chrissy can't breathe in them. I'm at that point where I'm like, I feel like I'm in denial. I mean, I know I've gained a lot of weight. You guys don't get to tell me that. Because sometimes I see that on my channel and I'm like, didn't your mama ever tell you if you don't have something nice to say, you don't say it at all? You know, if somebody gain weight, keep it to yourself. If I see somebody and they gain weight, I'm like, wow, you know, they gain weight. Okay, but I'm not going to say, wow, you gained weight. Like, keep it to yourself. I know I gain weight. I'm aware. Okay? I'm on heavy medication that makes me gain weight. It's either that, depression, and I jump off the Brooklyn Bridge. Which one you want? Thick Chrissy or you want dead Chrissy? Because it's like either me or my mental health at this point. I am working with my doctor to get on a plan where I can like watch what I eat and everything, because the medication makes me want to eat so much. Like everything tastes delicious on this medication. Anyway, so I was so if you hear me out of breath, is because my dress is really tight. But so I was gonna do like a chit chat get ready with me, but I just actually did one and I honestly don't have anything to talk about right now. Pretty much updated you guys with what was going on in my life. Nothing's really going on now. I'm literally just in the waiting game when it comes to an assignment. I got my first assignment. I think I told you guys that. Signed a contract this weekend and I will be leaving, and I will tell you guys where I'm going and everything in a vlog. I'm going to be vlogging, so I'll tell you guys everything. You'll see where I'm going, everything. But yes, I signed my first contract this weekend, so I will be leaving in like 2 weeks. So in 2 weeks you guys will get the tea on where I'm going and and all that stuff. But right now nothing's really happening in my life. You guys know I quit my job, so pretty much I'm just filming, not doing too much, so I don't really have much to talk about. So I'm just gonna install this wig for you because it was gonna be like a chit chat get ready with me, install this wig. But anyway, so I'm just gonna install this wig and you guys can watch me. So this is the wig and look how beautiful it is. It has gray streaks. This is a new thing I've been seeing on Instagram. Like I was seeing, like, you know how, 2014, 15, it was like straight silver, and now it's like streaks, and I love it. I love colors. I love new trends. I love it. So this hair is by Ulahair. It has a little tag on it, which is really cute. It is 100% human hair. You guys know I do review and do tutorials on synthetic as well as human. Yeah, I'm gonna get right into it. I wish I could have did a talk through. I honestly don't have nothing to talk about. I mean, I haven't seen the new Euphoria yet, and I don't want to ruin it for anybody that, hasn't watched Euphoria yet. So I don't know, I haven't watched it, so I can't even talk about Euphoria right now, but it's getting good. I can't wait to see what happens. I'm gonna watch it straight after I film. But yeah guys, let me just get right into installing this wig.